come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, ARMY's continuing the saga of BTS week that is happening in the Jimmy Fallon's YouTube channel. So today they dropped the second performance video. This is Home, and of course I do not know of this song, so this is going to be a new song for me. Obviously I won't be able to understand what they are saying because they don't give the subtitles. It will just be written singing in Korean. So yes, no problem, but I'm really happy to react to this performance and get to know a new song. So yeah, without delaying this, let's just start. Yes, super duper excited. Super duper excited.
YouTube, it's BTS week at The Tonight Show, and every day we're bringing you incredible new performances from the group. Here now to perform the song Home from their 2019 EP, Map of the Soul Persona.
Okay, so this is from Map of the Soul album, so it's a fairly new song.
TS.
Oh, my angel! He's my angel. So home, so it's about being at home. Oh, I love that can of ARMY. Wait, the bottle is BTS. Yeah, they should definitely get a drink out, you know, called ARMY. I don't know what they are saying, but it's okay. Oh! Best friends. I know you have asked me to react to their song Friends. I will do that. I know there's so many songs of theirs. They really are. I mean, all of their friendships are just so genuine. This is about being at home and chilling, I think. My baby. I don't know what you're saying, but I'm happy that you're rapping. He doesn't have the ponytail today, but I love Jungkook in this. You guys already know, for the viewers who have already been with me from the beginning, you know I love Jungkook in the black long hair. Really suits him. Really suits him. I love they've given a little perm to him. Oh, Mikasa. So it's about home, like their home, being at home. At least this much I can guess now. Mikasa. Jimin. How is it even possible that all their songs are so good to my ears? It's so melodious. Oh my god. I need to listen to their Map of the Soul album at least before the new album B drops, because let me know guys, because I know Map of the Soul, it is Map of the Soul 7 and Map of the Soul Persona. I think these are the two albums, right? Can let me know if I should do like a run through of all their songs, and I'll just smash everything in a single video with the lyrics on my screen, so I know one by one, and I can give my viewpoint on each song. So let me know if you want me to do that. Mikasa, yeah. Your love, I miss that. Your love, I want that. Your touch, I need that. Woo! My sunshine. Yoongi is the cutest. He's the cutest and the most. I feel in terms of the switch between cute and savage. I find Yoongi the most extreme. Like he can be so cute, and then Dechita is like plastered in my mind. This is me having my virtual army bomb. I need to buy an army bomb. What is Taeyang and Jimin? I want to see that part again. Look at. So Taeyang is throwing stuff at Jin, and Jimin is just being goofy. Jimin is being Jimin. See this visual, so nice, chill. This is what we really want in life, don't we? Just having a chill time with your people who are close to you. Let us value this time, being at home, being close to people that you love. Let's value it. How messy, look how messy this is. Yeah, this is what happens when I'm also in kitchen, when I'm trying to make rotis. What is Jin doing? Look at Jin. Look at Jin at the background. Namjoon is being messy and clumsy as usual. Look at Jin. And Jungkook is exercising. He just needs an excuse to start exercising wherever he wants, huh? So this is essentially a song which is very heavy on Jimin's vocals. I'm seeing that Jimin has the maximum lines here. Angel! My angel! Baby angel! Even Jin. Thank God Jin has good lines in this song. Mikasa, yes! Are you seeing Taeyang's live vocals? They are stunning. You yourself are so stunning, Taeyang, but the best quality that you have is being a great human being and having such great talent. Looks are always secondary, guys. Looks, everybody can look. You can't do anything about your looks. But you can always work on your personality, and that's what makes the difference. If you have a great personality, you're automatically gonna look great overall. Looks, they're born with good looks. That is their good luck. But the talent, that's what made me such a big fan of theirs. The talent, the lyrics. I'm sure this also has a very deep meaning. But with the visuals that I'm seeing, this is about being at home and being thankful, and they want to be at home, I think. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Yes! Taeyang's vocals are amazing. I loved it. Yes, bye! Okay, wait. Mikasa! Oh wow, such a beautiful song and melody. Of course, I know for a fact that the lyrics would mean something really, really great, because like I always say, they are king of lyrics. But such a chill vibe to this song. Of course, this this is really the kind of song which you just, when you sit at home, listen and just do what they were doing, like this. When you cook something and just want to have a chill, relaxed, mindset and atmosphere at home, this is a perfect song to play. Perfect song to play. Everybody's vocals now. That's what I noticed, that this song is pretty heavy on Jimin's vocals, and mostly the vocal line. And I like, in this particular song, even if Jimin had like the maximum lines, but I really liked overall the line distribution of other members also, which was quite decent. And the way this entire vibe of the blue background, blue and beige, I love that. I love the scene where they shot, they were being chaotic in the kitchen, doing just random stuff. Just, they are perfect, man. They are not, I wouldn't call perfect. Perfect is a very, very bland, and I don't like the word perfect. They are very unique. They're unique. That's what they are. They're very, very rare and unique. Let's just call it like that. So yes, that was my reaction to BTS's Home. I'll probably, I don't think this has an MV. I don't think so. Map of the Soul albums, I know what Map of the Soul albums MVs are. So this, I have not seen this. Otherwise, I would have reacted to it, because I was essentially reacting to their, newer songs first when I had started reaction. So Stay Gold and all of that, I reacted to that. So I don't think this has an MV. So I will find out the meaning with the lyric video, of course. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I cannot wait for the next performance to drop, of course. So I think I'm posting it one day late, but let me post this today evening if possible. Let me see what videos I can schedule, how I can schedule it. So I'll post this as soon as possible after I edit it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.